Hello everyone. So again in this video we are going to check some examples of PlayFair cipher so that it will be clear to you that how to encrypt and how to decrypt using PlayFair cipher. So in the last video also I explained the process of PlayFair cipher with one or two example. Now again we will check some more example. So let's say the keyword is, for this example, let's say the keyword is secure. So when keyword is secure, so we have to make a 5 into 5 matrix using this keyword. So here we are going to make this 5 into 5 matrix. So let me create the matrix first. So this is 5 into 5 matrix for keyword secure, and now we are going to fill this matrix. So first we will write this keyword secure here, SECUR, and because this E is repeating, so we are not going to write E again because repetitions are not allowed in PlayFair cipher. Repetition not allowed. So now we will start filling all the alphabets. A, B, C is already there, D, E is already here, F, G, H, I and J should be in the same column, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R is already there, S is already here, so here will be T, U is already here, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So now this is our matrix using which we need to encrypt our text. So now the text which we want to encrypt is hello world. Let's say the text which we want to encrypt is hello world. So you can say this hello world is our plain text. Now we need to find cipher text. So to find cipher text, first we need to divide it into a group of 2 letters or 2 alphabets. So HE, because LL are 2 double letters like repeating letters, repetition anywhere not allowed. So we will just fill X here. And then with this L, it will be LO, this will be WO, this will be RL, and then D. So this D is because alone, so we will fill X in the end. Now we are going to encrypt this HELL, LX, LO, WO, RL, DX. So what is HE? Let's see where is H and where is E. So H and E are in different rows and different columns. So to encrypt H, we will go to the same row of H which is intersected by E. So this is I and J. So either we can write I or we can write J. Both are okay. Now for E is again different. So the row which is intersected with H. So S will be here. Now L and X. So L and X are again in different row, different column. So for L, the same row which is the row of L and which is intersected with S. So it will be K, and for X it will be Y. Now L and O, again different. So same for L, it will be same row of L. So it will be I. For O, it will be same row which is intersected with L. It will be Q. Then WO. W and O are in same column. So when it is in same column or same row, we go for the next alphabet. So next for W will be E in the same column, and for O it will be W. Then RL, R and L, the different row, different column. So R will be replaced with the same row alphabet which is intersected with L. So R will be U and L will be M. Then D and X, same column. So next one, so for D it will be K, and for X, next of X is going to be C. So now this is going to be our cipher text for this particular example. I, Q, E, W, U, M, K and C. So this is going to be our ciphertext. Similarly, we can let's say a simple letter let's say a simple letter Tashkent. Simple word Tashkent. Tashkent. Now let's say we need to encrypt this Tashkent using the same key secure and PlayFair cipher. So what we are going to do, we will simply divide it into two group of two letters. So it will be Tashkent. Now T and A. First check the position of T and A. So T A is here and where is T? Here. Different row, different column. So for A we are going to for T we are going to replace the same row letter which is intersected with A. So that is going to be N. For A the same row which is intersected with T. So it is G. Now S and H. S is here, H is here. Same row, so next letter A and N. Next one is KE. K is here, E is here. So different row, different column. So for K we are going in the same row which is intersected with E. Either it can be I or J. For E we can go same row which is intersected with K. So it will be C. Now N and T. So N is here and T is here in the same row. So next one. For N it will be O and for T it will be circular. It next will be N. So O and N. So Tashkent can be encrypted with this NGANICON. So this is, so it totally depends upon, you see, when we talk about polyalphabetic ciphers. So it is again a PlayFair cipher, permutation cipher, and it is totally depend upon the key. Only this key should be secure. If rest everything is known, it is very difficult to attack this cipher. It is very difficult to cryptanalysis of PlayFair cipher because everything depends upon the key. When we have a different key, we have a different matrix, and then like a single word can be a single letter can be mapped to a different letter in the same encryption also. That's why it is known as polyalphabetic also. So let's check some more example with this key, with this PlayFair cipher. Then we will discuss with one example we will discuss decryption also. So let's say the key is diamond. Let's say the key is diamond. Now with this key diamond, I'm going to create a matrix, 5 into 5 matrix with this key diamond. So let me create a 5 into 5 matrix with this key. So let me write diamond, D-I-A-M-O-N. We are not going to repeat D because repetitions are not allowed. Now start from A. A is already here. B, C, D is here. E, F, G, H, I and I is here. So we will write J here. I, J, K, L, M is here, N is here, O is here. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So this is our matrix is ready. Now using this matrix, let's say the plain text is Inha University. Let's say the plain text is Inha University. Now we need to decrypt this text. So for decryption again, we will divide this text into a group of two alphabets like this. IV, ER, SI and then TY. Now we will check for these two groups I and N. So I and N are different rows. So for I, the same row which is intersected with n, it will be D, and for n it will be B. Now H and A, again different. So for H, it will be same row intersected with A, so it is going to be K, and for A it is going to be either I or J. You can write anything. Now UN, U and N, different. So for U, same row which is intersected with N, so for U it will be Q, and for N it will be F. Now I and V. So I and V again different. So for I it will be same row D, and for V it will be W. Now E and R. E and R. So E is here, R is here, again different. So for E it will be B, and for R it will be T. S and I. S and I, again different. So for S it will be R, and for I it will be A. And T and Y, same. So next for T it is going to be, this is T, for T it is going to be Y, and for Y it is going to be M. So now this decryption is, this cipher text is like this: D B K I Q F D W B T R A Y and M. So this is for INHA and this is for university. This is how we are going to encrypt using PlayFair cipher. So we will now check decryption also, how we are going to decrypt it. So let's check it with a small word. Let's say INHA. For INHA the encryption is DBKI, and let's check the decryption also. So decryption of this PlayFair cipher is just opposite to the encryption. Like for example, in encryption we say that if I and N both are in different row, so we are going to check the same in the same row whatever is intersected with. Okay, so for now if D and B we check, they are in different columns. So what we are going to check it for the same row which is intersected with B. So I, for B it is N. Similarly K and I. K and I is different. So for K it is going to be H, and for I it is going to be A. Now check this one, Q and F. So Q and F different. So for Q it is going to be in the same row which is intersected with F, U, and for F it is going to be N. DW, D and W. W is here and D is here. So for D it is going to be V, and for W it is going to be I or J, whatever you used in decryption. That you should be used in encryption. Then BT, B and T. So for B it is going to be E, and for T it is going to be R. Then R and A. R and A. For A it is going to be I, R it is going to be S. Y and M. Y and M are same. So in encryption we move forward, in decryption we will move backward. So T and Y. So this is how we are going to decrypt also using PlayFair cipher. So this is how we use PlayFair cipher for encryption and decryption. We can write another example, like let's say the key is Jen and P is Jez. So this is for your practice. You can encrypt this text using the key, and you can decrypt also using the key. So there are some limitation for this PlayFair cipher. So first thing is only English alphabets are allowed. You cannot write special keys or special characters like underscore, ampersand. Any other special characters are not allowed. Number are not allowed. 1, 2 numbers are not allowed. So these are just a small limitation of this PlayFair cipher. Otherwise it is a polyalphabetic cipher and it works well. Thank you.